crucial Rajya Sabha debate tomorrow on farmers' bills. Modi government has reached out to various political parties to ensure smooth passage of two bills in the upper house. This comes after key ally Shiromani Akali Dal's Harsimrat Kaur quit the Narendra Modi cabinet on Thursday. Sources said that Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh are speaking to all like-minded parties in a bid to convince them that the legislation is not anti-farmers and gain their support. Just yesterday, BJP also spoke to Jan Nayak Janata Party leaders in Chandigarh there, and meanwhile, the opposition is likely to press for sending these bills to the Select Committee of Rajya Sabha. Now, meanwhile, RSS affiliate Bharatiya Kisan Sangh has sought more scrutiny of the farms bill. Another Sangh affiliate, Swadeshi Jagrao Manch, has appealed to the Prime Minister to ensure MSPs to farmers, and there should be penalization if in case MSP is not given to those farmers. Now this, even as protests continues by farmers across of the country, it rages on. Farmers are now protesting against the centre's agriculture ordinances outside the parliament as well. Kangana Ranaut has jumped into this row, targeting the opposition for the bill, supporting the government.
ये किसानों ने बहुत सारी मेहनत की है, लेकिन आज इन किसानों को बिल्कुल भूख मरी के कंधे पर जो ले जाकर इनको खुदकुशियां के कंधे पर ले जाकर छोड़ दिया जा रहा है। ये बिल पास होने से किसानों की जमीन भी चली जाएगी, जमीन पर कारपोरेट घरानों का जो कब्जा होएगा वो भी बहुत घातक है। इसीलिए जो ये बिल है बहुत ज्यादा घातक है।
किसानों के लिए जो बिल आया है, बिल मॉडर्नाइजेशन खेती को करने के बारे में है। ये किसान विरोधी नहीं है, लेकिन जानबूझकर कांग्रेस और अपोजिशन पार्टी किसानों को भड़का रही है। विरोधी दल को कोई जो सुझाव देना है उसमें क्या बदल करना है उसके संबंध में सरकार विचार कर सकती है, लेकिन पूरा बिल का विरोध करना अच्छी बात नहीं है।
ये बिल जो लाया गया है ये चंद लोगों को फायदा पहुंचाने के लिए, पूंजीपतियों को फायदा पहुंचाने के लिए बिल लाया गया है और आम आदमी पार्टी ने लोकसभा में भी इसका विरोध किया। हम लोग राज्यसभा में भी इसका जमकर विरोध करेंगे। तो ये चिंगारी बहुत दूर तक फैलेगी अगर इस बिल को सरकार वापस नहीं लेती है तो।
Quickly cut across to Rahul Srivastava joining us live for more details. Rahul, take us through the affiliates of the Modi government, in fact affiliates of RSS particularly, asking for some reforms in the bill there. They say that the minimum support price must be given to farmers and it should be penalized in case they don't get their basic price there. Now take us through what's going to happen, a storm that will rake up at the Rajya Sabha when this is presented.
Namita, this is exactly why Harsimrat Kaur, a member of the Akali Dal and a minister in the cabinet of Narendra Modi, had walked out. The very reason she resigned was that the bill does not incorporate any assurances as far as the MSP is concerned. Though in July, Narendra Singh Tomar, the agriculture minister, had gone to Punjab, held a press conference, issued a letter that MSP will be guaranteed, but in the bill, in the legislation, there is no provision for it. And that's where rises the apprehension among farmers and political parties and farmer organizations that in case there is no provision inside the bills and the legislation, then private players who will enter the procurement business may not be providing MSP to the farmers, because even government structures have over the last few decades failed to provide that. And that is why there is definitely a strong movement within the RSS now that there should be a rethink on the bill. So much so that Bharatiya Kisan Sangh, which is an RSS affiliate, has come out and said that what's the hurry to push the bill? Why not send it to a parliamentary committee, go through it and bring it in winters? And they are saying that if it can't be put into the legislation, then the government should come up with a separate law. So what one can say is that given the size of the farmers as a vote bank, as a demography, there is a huge amount of worry developing within the Sangh Parivar, and that definitely will make the government rethink before it enters Rajya Sabha as far as this bill is concerned. Whether they will bring in an amendment, one will have to wait and see.
Well, thank you very much for joining us with those details there. In fact, a lot of the opposition parties have been opposing this bill, calling this anti-farmers. Farmers themselves are out on the streets protesting. We have more information coming in from the south, Telangana as well now, jumping in.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.